Good morning. I'd like to read you a book. This one's called The Interrupting Chicken by David Ezra Stein. It was bedtime for Little Red Chicken.
Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you ready to go to sleep?
Yes, Papa, but Papa, you forgot something.
What's that? Asked Papa.
A bedtime story.
All right, I'll read one of your favorite books. And of course, you're not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you?
Oh, no, Papa, I'll be good.
Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel are very hungry. Deep in the woods, they found a house made of candy. Nibble, 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 blah, 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 blah. They were just about to follow her when...
Out jumped the red chicken and she said, "Don't go in, she's a witch." So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end.
Chicken,
Yes, Papa?
you interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved.
Sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch.
Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep.
Let's try another story. I'll be good.
Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood. Blah, 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 good morning. She was about to answer him when...
Out jumped the little red chicken and said, "Don't talk to strangers." So Little Red Riding Hood did in the end.
Chicken,
Yes, Papa?
you did it again. You interrupted two stories and you're not even sleepy.
I know, Papa, I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf.
Yes, now get back to bed.
Okay, Papa, let's try one story. I'll be good.
Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. Blah, blah, blah. The sky was falling when...
Out jumped the little red chicken and said, "Don't panic, it was just an acorn." So Chicken Little didn't. The end.
Chicken,
Yes, Papa?
you done did it again.
Oh, Papa, I couldn't let the little chicken get upset over an acorn. Please read one more story. I promise I'll fall asleep.
But Chicken, you are out of stories.
Oh, no, Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story.
Then, why don't you tell me a story?
Me tell a story? Okay, Papa, here we go. Bedtime for Papa my chicken. Once there was a little chicken who put her Papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake. Oh. Papa? Good night, Papa.
The end. Goodbye. Have a great day. Do something good for someone. Bye.